Try this lobster roll bread. Wait guys ha. I'ma try it. So we're gonna try this lobster roll bread. So open na natin. Chocolate siya? Bakit chocolate? Kala ko lobster. Wait lang ha. Hindi, chocolate talaga. Ay. I'm so dumb. Look. It said chocolate flavor. Then what's this poor lobster? Oh my god. Yeah, the bread tastes like lobster. Wait, let me buy it again. It's yummy. Ang dugo. Tingnan nyo. Look. It's have a big hole here. What the freak? What the heck? Let me buy it again. Nah, bro, what's this? Don't have feeling. Bruh. This sucks. Let me finish my food. Mama! Tignan mo ang duga. Kaya pala, akala ko may palaman. My god, this sucks. Wala nga.
Chocolate dapat sa loob yun.
Oo nga.